Starting a logistics firm can seem like a massive task, but let's break it down together. All right, so why logistics? Well, think about it. Everything you buy, touch, or consume has been moved from one place to another. Logistics is like the backbone of commerce. If you're all about solving puzzles and moving pieces, this might just be your thing. Step 1 is research. You gotta know the ins and outs of the industry. Look into competitors, trends, and what's in demand. Maybe you have a knack for transporting delicate items or need to explore eco-friendly logistics. Whatever it is, find your niche. Next, let's talk about a business plan. I know, it sounds boring, but it's your roadmap. You'll want to cover your services, target market, pricing, and marketing strategies. It's like a GPS for your business journey. Now, money talk. You'll need some funding. Whether it's dipping into savings, taking out a loan, or finding investors, make sure you budget for trucks, staff, and licenses. Speaking of licenses, dive into the necessary permits and registrations. It's a must to keep things legit. Once your funding is sorted, start thinking about technology. Logistics has evolved significantly with tech advancements. From route optimization software to fleet tracking systems, the right tools can help streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and even cut down on costs. Don't overlook the value of tech in modern logistics. And here comes the fun part, your fleet. Whether it's a couple of trucks or a whole army of them, you need reliable vehicles. Consider leasing if buying new is too pricey right now. The key here is maintenance. You don't want your trucks breaking down halfway through a job. Insurance is non-negotiable. It protects your assets and gives you peace of mind. Imagine unexpected accidents. You'll be glad insurance has your back. As you grow, think about expanding your service offerings. Maybe you'll add warehousing, last-mile delivery, or freight forwarding to your portfolio. Expanding your services can open up new revenue streams and make your business more attractive to a broader range of clients. Building a solid team is crucial. Hire folks who are not only skilled, but also aligned with your vision. A happy team means happy clients, and that's what we're aiming for, right? Marketing your new logistics firm is next. Create a website, flaunt those customer testimonials, and maybe run some ads. Word of mouth is powerful, so don't be shy to ask satisfied customers to spread the word. You're not alone in this adventure. LegalRegistration.com is there to help you with the boring paperwork so you can focus on what you do best, running your logistics firm. Visit LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Before we wrap up, remember, every big success story started with a small step. Your logistics firm could be the next big thing, and you're in the driver's seat. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. You got this.